Hi, how's it going, guys? Hope you're all well. Sorry I haven't been on for a little while, but had a lot of stuff going on in the background, still have at the moment, and I broke a couple of toes, so I was hobbling about for 5-6 weeks. That's sort of just about sorting that stuff out now. And as you can imagine, there's no way I could have climbed up and down cliffs and etc. etc. All the stuff I do, walk through the water, climb over ditches, all that sort of stuff, while I was in that condition. So so I'm back again now anyway. So today we're gonna take a wander down the Broads and see what we can find. So welcome in, nice to see you all again, and let's go. So I've decided to go to Ludham Bridge today. Let's go around that area and see what's happening, see what boats are about. Hopefully there's still some holiday boats about, private boats, canoes, paddle boarders, could be all sorts of things. So let's have a little nose and see what we can find. Sun's out today. We've just had a really cold week and really windy and rainy, and today we've got the sun out. That's quite nice, but it's still quite windy, but I've got the old mics and stuff on, so we should be good. So I'll see you on the bridge. So you join me on Ludham Bridge, as you can see in the background. The sun is shining, there's a few boats about, there's quite a few moored up, so let's have a little look and see what we can find. You see a couple coming down the river now, so we'll investigate them. A few chaps about fishing and there's a couple setting up, so let's have a look. So as you can see down here, the water's just lapping over the edge of the Broads at the moment. With the high winds and high tides and stuff we had. The flooding has started early this year. So as you can see, there's a few boats about, there's a few bits and pieces going on, a few people fishing, plenty of people wandering about taking photos and stuff like that. It's very, very windy, but we're dealing with that. I'm just going to take a wander down the other side now and see what else is happening. Have a look off a bridge, see if there's any boats coming either way, and we'll go from there. So we've walked a bit further down the river, just have a look around and see what's about. So we're on the other side now, we're taking a little wander down this side of the river, seeing what else is about. Got the water filling station and stuff here, and then you've got like the little boat trips and stuff just on the edge of the Stay Fair. We're going to go further down and walk down into some of the fishing swims and see what boats we can see further down. What the bridge looks like from right down here. I'm zoomed in. Got a hefty wind coming along the road towards me, as you can see by the ripple on the water. Symphony 2, that one is. I must say, it's not extremely busy boat traffic, but there's a few bits and pieces going on. The shot I see over there to the left, the Broads Authority, they're putting in posts along the side, screwing them in, digging them into the foundations and putting them in properly. Oh, so back at the car. Really enjoyed having a good old little wander up and down both sides of the river there. Really nice just to get out and about. I haven't been able to, as I said at the beginning of the video. Broke a couple of toes and that's just stopped me from doing all my normal stuff. So yeah, it was really nice to get out there and have a wander. Get some breeze going through you, some fresh air. Lovely. So I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a few boats about. Not so many moving today, but there was still a few to see, a few moored up, some nice wildlife about, and some lovely views, so what more can you want? Lovely. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye for now.